Hello student, I Anita Singh. Welcome to all to YouTube channel Genius Public School. Today I am going to teach to science of class 5th lesson 3 nervous system. In this chapter you learn about parts of the nervous system, working of the nervous system, role of our sense organ, how our brain works with closed eyes. We starting the chapter. First we will some question related to the chapter. If we happen to touch or hold a hot vessels in our hand, what do? We let go of it immediately. How do we come to know that vessel is hot and we should drop it? Yes, student, our body is made up of organs and which help us to perform various functions. Do they things they perform these functions on their own? How do we walk? How do our legs move to walk? So our body has an organ system which controls all the body function. It is called the nervous system. Without this system, our brain would be like jelly. It would not be able to perform any function. So, let us learn about the different parts of the nervous system. Our nervous system is made up of the different parts of the body. First is brain, second spinal cord, and third is nerves. You can see the diagram on your screen. Our body is divided into the three-part nervous system: brain, spinal cord, and nerves. First is the brain. Student, our brain is located in the head. It is soft like jelly. It is covered and protected by the skull. The skull is very hard. It protects the brain. The brain manages the entire body but weighing only about 1.5 kg. The brain is the control center of the body. The brain talks to entire body through the spinal cord and nerves. It tells our body what to do and when to do it. Brain helps us in remembering, learning, eating, walking, and so on. It is control and voluntary and involuntary actions. So our brain is very important for our body for survive. Now second is spinal cord. Spinal cord is the bundle of nerves and it is a long and thin like pipe. It starts from the lower part of the brain. It looks like a long tail of the brain. Along the way, nerves branch out from the spinal cord just like branches of a tree from a tree trunk. The backbone encloses the spinal cord. Next is nerves. You can see the diagram on your screen. Nerves are spread in whole body. नर्व्स किस तरह से पूरी बॉडी में देखिए स्क्रीन पे भी आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा कि नर्व्स हमारी बॉडी में किस तरह से पूरी एक वायर के जैसे फैली हुई है, और एंड द नर्व्स आर लाइक द वायर्स, दे आर स्प्रेड इन आर इंटायर बॉडी लाइक अ स्पाइडर वेब्स। जिस तरह से एक मकड़ी का जाला पूरी रहता है, और उसी तरह से हमारी बॉडी में नर्व्स पूरे बॉडी के हर एक पार्ट्स, हर एक जगह, हर जगह फैली हुई रहती है। दे कनेक्ट डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स एंड द ऑर्गन्स टू द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड टू द ब्रेन। यही नर्व्स के थ्रू ही हमारी बॉडी के सिर्फ डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स और जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और ब्रेन से जुड़े हुए रहते हैं। Our nervous system is like a computer and brain is work like a CPU। जिस तरह से कंप्यूटर में सिस्टम में CPU एक ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर कहलाता है, इसीलिए ऐसे ही हमारी बॉडी में ब्रेन है जो कि हमारी पूरी बॉडी को कंट्रोल करता है। नेक्स्ट इज स्टूडेंट, to control our body, the brain also need to know what is happening outside the body. Our body have a 5 sense organ. For example, when we walk, the brain needs to get the message about the thing in our way. How does the brain get this message? For this, the sense organ work along with the nervous system. Eyes, ear, nose, tongue, skin are the organs that help us to sense the things around us. With the help of these organs, we see, hear, smell, taste, and feel the things around us. Let us learn how these organs help us to sense with the help of the nervous system. When an object comes in front of us, the eyes send this information to the brain and through the nerves, and the brain reads this message and tells us what object it is. That is how we see. Similarly, if we smell or taste something, the nose and tongue send a message to the brain through the nerves. Then the brain tells us what kind of smell or taste it is. It also tells us whether the smell and the taste are good or not. In the same way, the skin helps us to feel heat, cold, the rough, smooth, and so on. Ears help us to hear with the help of message from the brain. So, student, everything decide, remember, learn, and involuntary, voluntary actions are controlled by the organ system. Now, let us we understood by the nervous system how the nervous system work in our body. Let us understood by this example. It is an example to explain you the process of the nervous system. So example is, when an ant has bitten on hand, mind says you to scratch your hand, means brain said the message to the spinal cord, then the spinal cord sent to it to the muscles. It means hand start to scratch, so the brain, the nervous systems help. The message of scratching is first sent by brain to spinal cord, then from the spinal cord sent to the muscles, and then muscle do to that action, means then hand start to scratches. means थोड़ा सा मैं आपको इसको हिंदी में भी समझाऊंगी कि जिस तरह से सपोज़ कि आपके जैसे हाथ में एक यहाँ पे डायग्राम में भी आपको दिख रहा होगा कि अगर हाथ में आपके एक चींटी ने आंट ने काटा तो आपके ब्रेन में मैसेज जाता है कि अरे चींटी ने काटा है, उसको खुजाना है, खुजली होने स्क्रैच करना है। तो ब्रेन देखिए कैसे होगा, पहले एंड स्किन पे गया, फिर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से, फिर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से ब्रेन पे मैसेज गया, फिर रिस्पॉन्स में क्या हुआ, एक्शन कर दिया ये तो। अब रिस्पॉन्स में क्या हुआ, ब्रेन ने स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को मैसेज दिया, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड से मैसेज मसल्स में आया एंड मसल से फिर स्क्रैच किया, स्क्रैचिंग द हैंड। और डायग्राम यू कैन सी द डायग्राम ऑन योर स्क्रीन। और फिर क्या किया, यहाँ पे स्क्रैचिंग करने लगा, उसको खुजलाना शुरू किया। तो चिल्ड्रन, I hope and you understood this chapter, how does nervous system work in our body. Thank you for watching.